Today we're gonna be making this amazing dish that is perfect for spring and summer. All right, let's get started. I have a bowl right here and we are gonna add some yogurt to it. I have about half a cup of yogurt here. This is just Greek yogurt. To that yogurt, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Now you could use some fresh lemon juice if you have that. But I just like this. It's easy and it's always in my refrigerator. Okay, and then we're gonna add some honey to this. This is honey. Look how dark that is. We actually got this fresh local honey. And we're gonna give this a good stir just to incorporate all of those yummy, delicious ingredients. Look how pretty this is looking. So this is gonna be like a dressing, okay, y'all? This is so easy. It's gonna take minutes to put together, and I'm telling you, everybody in your family is going to absolutely love it. Over here in my bowl, I have about 8 ounces of already cooked pasta, and to that pasta, I'm gonna be adding a cup of strawberries. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to taste one of these.
So am I.
Those are so good. All right. We got some strawberries here. Oh, those are so good. A little secret is to add a little salt on top of your strawberries and the sweetness just comes out. It's amazing. So, good tip. And then we're gonna add 1 can of pineapple chunks. Now, I did already drain that, so we're gonna add that in here. Oh gosh, we're getting full. Hope I don't do too much. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of grapes, and I went ahead and just sliced those. And you can use any kind of grape you want, okay? And, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of start mixing this a little bit here. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna come back with our dressing that we made. Now remember that has that yogurt in there. It's got all those, got a little lemon juice and some powdered sugar and some honey. So then all we gotta do is mix all of this up and coat everything nice and well with that dressing. Oh my gosh, y'all, it smells good. It smells sweet. This is so good. This is so light and refreshing. Wow, I'm excited. And then I forgot, we need to add a little bit of salt. All we're gonna do is put this in the refrigerator for a few hours until it chills. All right, so it's been chilling for a little bit and I'm really excited. All right, so let's go ahead and plate this up. This looks so good. The strawberries look so pretty in here. Y'all, this is so, so good. And then, of course, I feel like it needs a little bit of whipped cream to it. So we're gonna add a little bit of whipped cream on top, because I think it's gonna taste really good. All right, y'all, let's taste this. I'm excited. This is so unique. All right, got a little of everything in here. Okay, ready? Look at that, the whipped cream too. Y'all, this is so good. It is light and refreshing and it's not too sweet, which I like. You get all the natural sweetness from the fruit in here, and the pasta really adds just an extra kick to it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!